If you've placed an order on eBay and want to know where your package is, tracking your order is quick and easy. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to track your order on eBay step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to check your delivery status and stay updated on your shipment without any confusion. First, open the eBay website or app and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, go to My eBay and navigate to the Purchase History section. Here, you'll see a list of all the items you've ordered. Find the order you want to track and look for the tracking information next to it. If the seller has already shipped the item, you'll see a Track Package option or a tracking number. Click on it to view the latest updates. This will show you detailed tracking information, including when the item was shipped, its current location, and the estimated delivery date. In some cases, eBay will display updates directly, or it may redirect you to the courier's website for more detailed tracking. If you don't see tracking details, it could mean the seller hasn't shipped the item yet or hasn't uploaded the tracking number. In that case, you can click on Contact Seller to ask for an update. You can also enable notifications in the eBay app to receive real-time updates about your order status, including shipping and delivery alerts. In case your package is delayed or hasn't arrived by the estimated date, you can go to the order details and choose the Item Not Received option to request help from eBay. In this tutorial, we learned how to track your order on eBay by accessing purchase history, checking tracking details, and contacting the seller if needed. This helps you stay informed and ensures a smooth buying experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.